Morning. Holy snowballs, Batman. Come on. Come on. Nope. 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 At last. Wow. Oh man. Yeah. Something tells me it's going to be a long, hard, cold one today with lots of white stuff. Chris. Anywho, welcome everybody. As we're recording this, it is January 3rd, 2026. Still weird saying 2026. It's probably going to be February or March by the time I get used to saying 2026. Always happens. Not that I say 2026 every year, but I mean, like, say the new... it's too cold. Yeah, this is not what I want, or need, or care for. Get me back to Thailand. Not long. Well, I've just seen something amazing on YouTube. Look at this. Chris Goforth, 1,000 subscribers. 1,000 subscribers means that now is one more step towards becoming a YouTube partner and becoming monetized. Just need to get his watch hours up. So, go across to the Chris Goforth. Try that again. Go across to the Chris Goforth channel. This one right here. Put his playlist on, play it in the background, get those watch hours up, and whilst you're on, hit subscribe. And guess what? Do that on this channel too. You may as well. It's free. I'm footing the bill. I'm paying the bill for my subscribers. I'm paying the bill for Chris subscribers. Join. It's free. I'm paying for it. Don't worry. No subscription. Well, there is a subscription, but no paid subscription required. I'm footing the bill for both of us. Come on. Yeah, it looks pretty. But I still don't want snow. Yeah, I don't like this cold. Thailand soon, and I'll be saying, I don't like this heat. Well, as you can see, it's pitch black. Helping my friend out at the pizza shop. And I get a delivery. In the middle of the friggin' woods. And I'm not even joking. Well, come on. I can see a light. There we go. Hello. Hello. I know you can't see nothing in this video. Hello. See ya. Weirdest delivery ever. What the? Absolutely mental.
No way.
No way.
Just eat.
What the hell?
Ta-da!
You can't see much on here, but trust us. Delivery to the middle of the fucking woods. If you go down to the woods today, in for a big surprise. If you went out to the woods today, you wouldn't believe your eyes. Waiting now. Hey, it's warm here, like. So the trees keep the heating, don't they? Well, back home now. Not much else to do apart from go to sleep. So, this is the end